Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cupping kit is probably one of the most talked about self-care methods for muscle soreness and pain relief, and today, we're diving deep into the world of at-home cupping to explore whether this ancient practice truly lives up to the hype. We will review the top-rated cupping sets available, comparing their ease of use, suction power, material quality, and overall value to help you make an informed decision before buying your own kit. Number 5. ELERA Edge Cupping Set. Experience the next level of cupping therapy with our innovative silicone cups. They provide powerful suction with precise control, unlike traditional glass or plastic cups. This set includes 4 different sizes of cups to target various muscle groups and body areas. You'll find the perfect fit for any treatment. Made with our exclusive FlexiPure silicone, these cups are free from harmful chemicals like BPA and phthalates. They're safe, durable, and easy to clean. With over 1 million cups sold, they're used by health practitioners, athletes, and spas worldwide. It's perfect for both professional and at-home use. The transparent blue color allows for easy placement and monitoring during treatments. Plus, it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy storage and transport. Get access to our comprehensive video library to learn proper techniques and maximize your cupping therapy experience. It's everything you need to get started. What we like. It is made of high-quality silicone, ensuring safe and reliable use. The kit includes 4 cups of varying sizes to suit different body parts. Its portability makes it perfect for use at home or on the go, ideal for those with busy schedules or who prefer convenient self-care routines. What people say. The cups are great. I use them very often, sometimes while I'm on my desk or even moving around the house. They performed very well and have a good section to them, and I do find some relief and comfort. The silicone material is very good quality, so should last you a good amount of time. It's simple to use, just press the cup on, and it easily sticks to your skin with a good suction. I can feel much of the same muscle release I experienced in therapy. Number 4. ELERA Cupping Set. Introducing the ELERA Cupping Therapy Set, trusted by healthcare providers for years. It's made with the highest quality medical-grade silicone for durability and effective treatment. This versatile set is perfect for beauty, body, and pain relief. It helps with firming, slimming, reducing cellulite and stretch marks, and improving overall health. Experience the superior effectiveness of cupping therapy. It's more effective than traditional massage methods for muscle pain relief and improved circulation. Made with clear, high-quality silicone, you can easily see the tissue and ensure proper suction. We prioritize your safety and health, using only skin-safe materials. It improves athletic performance, recovery, and mobility. It also relieves joint and muscle pain and spasms, making it perfect for athletes and those seeking pain relief. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer exceptional customer support and a product replacement warranty. Our massage experts are always ready to assist you. What we like. This set boasts 7 cups, providing a comprehensive cupping experience. Made with medical-grade silicone, it guarantees superior quality and safety. Its durability ensures long-lasting use, making it a worthwhile investment for regular cupping therapy. What people say. Well-structured, so grip as well as glidability. Try filling a crock pot with water to do heated cupping placement gliding. It's amazing. These are really easy to incorporate into your massages, but not the best for an actual cupping massage. The suction is good and works for what it is supposed to do, however it's just not something for a full cupping session. These are amazing to add as you do any other massage to save your thumbs a bit and allow for a nice full body ease when moved about when one of the larger cups are used. This is great to help get the relief from cupping therapy more frequently than I would or could with a massage appointment. Easy to use and clean. Good quality. Number 3. Cupping Therapy Set. Introducing a new take on an ancient healing practice. This set makes cupping therapy easier and more accessible than ever before. Unlike traditional methods, it features high-grade plastic cups for superior suction and precise control, allowing for a customized cupping experience. It helps relieve pain in your back, neck, and legs by improving circulation and relaxing muscles. Experience the soothing benefits of cupping therapy from the comfort of your home. The set includes various sized cups to target different areas, a pump for easy suction adjustment, and even a gua sha tool. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's simple to use and clean, making it perfect for regular self-treatment. Just follow the easy instructions and enjoy the therapeutic benefits. This cupping therapy set is your key to unlocking the ancient secrets of healing and well-being. Order yours today and start your journey to a healthier you. What we like. With 24 cups in various sizes, it offers extensive coverage for the entire body. The included pump provides precise suction control. The addition of a gua sha tool enhances the cupping experience, making it ideal for those seeking a complete self-massage solution. What people say. The hand pump suction is great and super easy to use, and I love the variety of cup sizes. The quality of these cups is so nice. They're plastic, but it's a thicker plastic, so if it falls, it won't scratch or crack. It makes it so easy to take with me anywhere I go. It's great for people who have a lot of tension in their shoulders or neck, or if you play sports. It doesn't take super long either. You put it on for 10 to 15 minutes and your muscles feel less tense. Number 2. REVO Smart Cupper. Introducing the revolutionary REVO Smart Cupper, the first heated electric cupping device with 4 incredible features: heat, massage, red light therapy, and dynamic suction. Experience the future of cupping therapy. It reduces muscle tension, knots, pain, and the appearance of cellulite and scar tissue. Simply apply it to your back, arms, or legs for a rejuvenating massage, anytime, anywhere. This innovative device promotes circulation while drawing out toxins and relieving inflammation. Enjoy spa-quality cupping therapy in the comfort of your own home or on the go. Elevate your at-home cupping experience. Purchase 2 for enhanced results and a truly comprehensive therapy session. We're confident you'll love your REVO Smart Cupper. That's why we offer a 2-year replacement policy. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This innovative device integrates 4 functions into one: heat, massage, red light therapy, and dynamic suction. It's perfect for those seeking a technologically advanced and convenient cupping experience. Its portability makes it ideal for use at home or on the go, offering a spa-like experience anytime, anywhere. What people say. It really helped reduce my muscle tension. The suction feels like a professional spa treatment at home. It's super convenient, no flames or complex setup, just a quick and easy way to enjoy cupping therapy wherever you are. Adjustable pressure, range from 1 to 12, 1 being for highly sensitive area, to 12 being areas that need and can endure more pressure. Excellent and accurate range in pressure. Adjustable heat output. Range from 1 to 12, as expected. Design, quiet. Portable, 2 attachments, easy to clean and charge. Comes with carrying bag, attachments, charging cord, Type-C. The suction is unbelievable and can be set to very strong. Pleased with that aspect of the unit and couldn't be better, especially for the cost. Number 1. Cupping Therapy Set. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for at-home cupping therapy. It's a convenient and effective way to relieve muscle tension and improve circulation. The set includes 18 cups in various sizes, a hand pump, an extension tube for easy self-application, and magnetic massage points for enhanced therapy. Everything is designed for your comfort and convenience. This fire-free system is simple to operate. Just place the cups on your skin to create a vacuum suction, no flames needed. It's perfect for relieving pain in your back, neck, shoulders, waist, and legs. It helps loosen muscles, improve circulation, and reduce tension. Experience the additional benefits of reduced stress, improved sleep, and a relaxed nervous system. It's a holistic approach to wellness. The specially designed U-shaped cups allow for better contact and stability on areas like your elbows and knees. It ensures a more effective treatment. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. We're here to help. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 33 pieces, offering a wide range of cups and accessories. The magnetic massage points enhance the therapy. The long extension tube allows for easy self-application, making it perfect for those who prefer self-treatment. What people say. Made out of plastic, good build quality, and the suction holds well. They have included different size cups that cover many areas of the body. It's light and portable to carry. The cups do leave a red spot on the skin, but it doesn't last long. I love the good quality heavy plastic of the cups and the pump works well. The cup set was very well set up, it has everything you need and some we don't even use. Good variety of sizes. Lots of the largest and mid-size cups and fewer of the smaller ones down to about a 1 cup. They do hold suction well, they are smooth and there are no seams. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.